This is this video. You see when you upload it, it looks like a draft like this. You can see it's called a draft. So you click on the pen icon, or you can just click on edit draft over here, same thing. And then you have the name, then you have to tell it, give it a description. Let's say I don't have time because of now. I'm just going to copy, but you're supposed to actually put a description here of what your video is all about, explain what your video is all about. And then next thing you scroll down, you see the part for tags. So you have to add tags here. Now, normally say I want to use this tag, so I click on it. I'm using a rapid tag. I'm using this website called Rapid Tags. So then you copy the tag. So you go back to the channel, click on it, click on paste. Then you have thumbnail, but before then I still have to paste this tag somewhere else. Click on show more, scroll down, you see the part for tags. Good. Then if it shows red like this, it means that the tag is more than you need, so just remove one out of it or two until it turns green. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go back here. So the next thing we're gonna add a thumbnail. So you click on thumbnail. Now, as you can see, these are the thumbnails that I have. I decided, but this is not the one I want to use, so I can create a thumbnail by going to Canva. So I go say I want to use this particular thumbnail. I click on it, or I have it downloaded. Now, I already you don't have to download from Canva. You click on this, click on share, click on download. So you make sure it is its current page. You click on download again, and to be in, and once it's in, if you go back here, you click on upload. You see it's there. So this is the same one I uploaded before. So I click on it. Now you can use one that you created from Canva or any other creation app, or you can decide to automatically generate one. Let's say I want to automatically generate one. So I'll select this one. If I want to use automatically generate, I click on done. That's the one that will appear as my thumbnail. You can see. Click on the three dots again. I upload a file, or I can reselect. If I don't want to use that one again, I choose another one I want to use. So when you choose automatically generate thumbnail, it actually takes from an image from your video to use as a thumbnail. So let's cancel that. So let's say I want to use that particular one. Then in playlist, you choose your playlist. So you need to add a video to a playlist. Add a video to one or more playlists. Organize your content for viewers. So I don't want to add a playlist, so I leave it. Now, under the audience, you choose that it's made for kids or not made for kids. Now, age restriction, don't forget it's supposed to be a show less. If you show more, you have to click on it. Then is a paid promotion? Is your video containing a paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement? If it's not, leave it on mark. If it is, mark it. So you go for brand. You can search for brand to promote your videos by clicking on search for a brand. Then next on is altered content. Do any of your videos before you describe your content? Do you make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do? Did you alter the footage of a real event or place, or did you generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur? If you did any of this or all of this, you click on yes. Since I didn't, I click on no. Then you go for collaboration. Here you decide to get a collaborator, invite a collaborator so you are trying to grow your audience by collaborating with other creators and expanding your videos reach to their audience. So click on invite a collaborator if you want to invite one. Then you have automatic chapters. Here you can decide to allow YouTube to create your chapters and key moments, make a video easier to watch. You can also override automatic selection by creating your own chapters in the video description. You want to create your own chapters, you go back to this video description here, and you can add a space for creating chapters, and then you put it in. So that's yours. So next is this. If you want to create chapters, if you don't want automatically, then turn this off, but I do want it, so I leave it on. Next we have featured places. So you can turn it on to allow automatic place, which means those public places like restaurants and shops will allow the viewers to explore those key places in your video. The next we have automatic concepts. This is experimental. Here is to help viewers learn more about an unfamiliar term that you used in the video without leaving the video. So the concept that you mention in your video must automatically appear in the description. So if you want that, you leave it turned on. If you don't want that, you turn it off. This is tag that we said earlier. This is language and caption certificates. You want to change language from English and language, you change this here. You want them to be captioned. If you have a caption certificate, if you do, you decide you pick one of these. If you don't, you click on none. Then here we have recording date and location. If you want to turn on recording date, you turn it on. You choose the date. If you don't want to click out video location, you type in video location if you want. Next, license distribution. So this is license we're using, and they have two license. Pick one. The distribution for now is set on everywhere. If you're using standard YouTube license, you can also allow embedding or turn it off. You can publish sufficient feed and spice as well, or you can turn it off. So you just go through this, choose what you want, category. You can also change the category of the video, change turn on and off the comments, the moderation for the comments should be none, which means don't hold any comments. Basic, hold potentially inappropriate comments. So filter, strict, hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments, and hold or hold all comments. Then you can also turn it on and off to the side if you want to see how many viewers like your video. So you can sort your comments by top or the newest, depends on you. Then you can add a font wizard to your video by clicking on add a